Fast forward to today, those original teachers who created that information, obviously it's important that they now go and learn the things that they were teaching others, because they have a new mind today. Like, if you're familiar with what a clone is, a clone doesn't always have to be someone who has been like rendered into another body, replicating the other body. It could be if you have another mind. Like, if you don't have your original mind, then you're basically a clone. So a lot of people, right, who have the resemblance of myself have been cloned. So it's important that they do go to the resources that you see here in between the Christianity and the Judaism, which I call the Hebrew Israelites, or they go by Hebrew Israelites, because that particular law is very important today in order to bring you back into the fold.